I started mixing orange and carrot to see if the rumors were true. The result was pure physical revitalization. Within a week, you will wake up with an intense drive and a body that refuses to get tired, no matter how hard you push it.